may pass through here each and every day, a few blocks of small town inside a big city, well known for its 25-mile-per-hour speed limit. Infamous as that is, to some it's a special place with a sort of magical charm. Comfortable, quaint, a little community that stands out. Historic Hilton Village has a small-town America appeal for the hundreds of families that for so long have called it home. Did you know that more than a century ago, Hilton helped set the tone for the planning of modern-day communities? 1917 and World War I was in full swing, prompting Newport News Shipbuilding and Dry Dock Company to hire thousands of workers to push their production of naval ships into overdrive. But with the influx of people to the area, a severe housing shortage soon emerged. Shipyard President Homer Ferguson appeared before Congress to stress the impact that the lack of housing was having on ship production. And in doing so, the U.S. Shipping Board was provided funding of $1.2 million and the authorization to create a comprehensive emergency housing shortage program. The first project was on 200 acres of pre-Civil War farmland known as Hilton in Warwick County, Virginia, just on the outskirts of the urbanized city limits of Newport News and on the banks of the James River. Only a few miles away from the shipyard, this project would be one like no one had ever seen before, led by a team of highly specialized planners and architects, including the notable Harvard University landscape architect Henry Vincent Hubbard. They focused on taking this rectangular piece of land, designing a main street running through its center, and smaller cross streets running parallel to what was then Warwick County Road. The 14 English village-style homes that would be built were designed with the homeowner in mind, thanks to input from the wives of shipbuilders who wanted comfort and efficiency. With an estimated cost for site development and building each home at $3,200, construction began in the spring of 1918 with the clearing of thick woodlands and intense layout development. They paid close attention to offering the soon-to-be residents access to a wide array of city services. Plans for a firehouse, a library, an elementary school, and the installation of tracks for a streetcar line between the city and the county. In 1921, Hilton Village was purchased from the United States Shipping Board by Henry Huntington, chairman of the board at Newport News Shipbuilding, and the nation's first federal warehousing project was complete. With close to 500 picturesque single homes, duplexes, and multi-family row houses that were all built in their own special way, families now had the perfect place to call home. The plan had 14 randomly distributed architectural variations, creating a high-quality, harmonious, village-like neighborhood that would not only hold its value after the war, but would last for many years to come. Originally rental units, during the 1920s, the residents of Hilton were offered the opportunity of home ownership, creating and building a community spirit that still lives on today. Through the years, generations of residents have been participants and witnesses to many historic changes in Hilton Village, making lasting memories for the hundreds of families settled in this charming community. Its workforce helped build the battle wagons that made America victorious during 2 world wars, and their vote was crucial in deciding the issue of consolidation between the cities of Warwick and Newport News in 1958. An elementary school, a library, a community theater, a strong commercial district, and an historic fire station, all the building blocks of Hilton Village, and the cornerstone of its rich heritage. Listed on the National Register of Historic Places and named a great place in America's neighborhoods, the residents will tell you it's more than just the buildings, it's the heart and the joy of the families that live here, past and present, that make it such a special place.